If you've been told that you've got high cholesterol, this is one recipe that you really need in your arsenal. It brings together some really powerful ingredients that together help to bring LDL cholesterol down.
This is my cholesterol-lowering lemongrass dal, a beautiful fusion of both Southeast and South Asian flavours colliding.
So let's make it.
We're kicking things off with a red onion. Now there's a massive surprise. You may have noticed that I only use red onions. That purple colour is given by a group of phytochemicals called anthocyanins. These actually support the heart by helping to lower blood pressure and protect the vessel wall from damage. It's one of those ingredients that quietly contributes to heart health without stealing the limelight. Finally chop it, and into the pan it goes with some extra virgin olive oil. Next up is, of course, garlic. A notable cholesterol-lowering ingredient and one that sneaks into nearly every single dish that I make.
So garlic helps here in three distinct ways. Firstly, it's got some mild anti-inflammatory activity. Secondly, it helps to support a healthier microbiome. We know that a healthy microbiome is associated with better lipid profiles overall. But most importantly, it's been widely studied in the context of its effects on cholesterol. It's been shown that long-term consumption can gently improve the ratio between LDL and HDL.
Finally chop it, and in it goes. And then we've got some fresh green chilli. Now, this doesn't really affect cholesterol, but capsaicin, the compound responsible for its heat, has been associated with improvements in circulation and improved blood vessel health. It's mild, but these gentle effects add up. Finally chop it, in it goes. Then we've got one of my favourite ingredients, fresh lemongrass. This gives the most divine flavour, plus it's an amazing stress reliever because you get to give it a good wallop. Make sure you do this as it will release the essential oils into the dish and infuse that gorgeous flavour. Halve it, then throw the stalks into the pan. Now let those ingredients soften together for a few minutes, and then it's time for the real star of today's recipe, the humble red lentil.
So this is where the recipe really becomes truly functional. Your liver is constantly taking cholesterol out of circulation to manufacture bile, which is then used in digestion. Once the bile's done its job, 95% of it gets reabsorbed. It's something called the enterohepatic circulation. However, when we consume a lot of soluble fibre from foods such as red lentils, that actually binds to this bile and carries it out of the body via the bowel. When that happens, there's very little left to be reabsorbed. So the body's only option is to take more cholesterol out of circulation to synthesize more bile. When that happens, serum cholesterol comes down. So constant intake or regular intake of these kind of high fibre foods will have a significant impact on cholesterol levels in the long term.
So get those lentils straight into the pan. Now pour in the coconut milk. I'm going for the lower fat option here, but there is still a lot of debate around fats and cholesterol, so use whichever one you prefer. The creaminess balances all those aromatic flavours beautifully and transforms the lentils into something that's rich, comforting and deeply satisfying. Now start adding vegetable stock little by little. As the lentils cook, they'll begin to soften and partially break down, creating that thick, silky texture that makes a great dal. Allow it to simmer gently for around 20 to 25 minutes until everything comes together. By this stage, the onions have melted away, the garlic has sweetened, the lemongrass has infused the whole dish, and the lentils have created this rich, creamy base that's every bit as comforting as it is functional. This is one of the most heavenly tasting dishes that I make. Delicate, fragrant, light, yet a true heart health powerhouse.
If you're looking for a recipe that truly deserves the title of heart healthy, this is definitely one of them. Packed with loads of soluble fibre to get those cholesterol levels down, and it's fragrant and it's delicate and it's delicious. The full recipe is below. Give it a try and let me know what you think.